Fix YouTube, there was a problem playing playback ID error. So this error pretty much occurs with the causes of network connection. If you have that, then you could always go ahead and clear this up first. You could always open up other websites or apps that needs internet connection, and if it's unstable there, then it could be caused by your network connection, and you could try fixing that. There's also corrupted browser files, badly cached DNS data, and issues with the automatic DNS. So over here, there are 6 solutions to this error, but of course, there are more, but these are the main ones. So first is the network connection, of course. So you can try restarting it as we mentioned. So try focusing on your network if it is the problem. Next is to clear cache and data of the browser. Disable browser extension, flushing DNS cache using Google DNS. Over here it says reinstall the browser, but it never really gets to that point, so I don't think this is even necessary. So the main fixes is usually just this over here and this and this, but there are methods to do this. So again, restarting a network device, it's very simple. You can just turn that off and on. Next is clearing cache and data of the browser. So depending on your browser, just go ahead and go to more tools and then clear browsing data. So depending on, again, what browser you have, try to find something as similar as that where you can clear your browsing data. Next step is to pretty much just press on clear cached image and files and click the clear data button. So on Google Chrome, caching data is removed, or pretty much what browser you're using, you can try playing the YouTube video or audio again and see if the issue still exists. You can also try disabling browser extensions. This may be a problem. You can try and you can just turn it back on if nothing changes. So go to your extensions, we just found in the more tools, and then the extensions from the menu, and then on the extensions, click the toggle associated with the newly installed extension to disable them. So once it's on the left, that should pretty much be at the disabled switch. Then you can also try flushing your DNS cache. So you won't be able to access a website in this case if you have a corrupted DNS cache. So type cmd, you can just go ahead and open the command prompt and then hit the enter key. So just go ahead and type this over here, DNS cache ipconfig flush DNS. Actually, we can just do that real quickly. So to your command prompt, you can try running as administrator as well to ignore any problems. But anyways, you can just go ahead and copy this part over here, ipconfig slash flush DNS. You don't have to add this. It is highlighted, but again, you don't have to add it. Just go ahead and copy that. So pressing copy and then command prompt and then just paste it over here. You can right click and paste if you want. But once you do, just press and enter, and as you can see, successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Now that's pretty much most of the options, the main options you can try to fix this error. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.